Are you in the market for a new travel wallet? Check out my overview of this zero grid passport wallet. I'll also share some tips on how I manage cards and cash during long-term and nomad style travels. This is an overview of the zero grid passport wallet. Now this is a passport wallet for an individual person. If you need to carry another passport for someone else, your children or somebody else, this is probably not going to be the best choice for you. It is a zippered wallet. It has a slot out here where you can put your boarding pass. If you have a printed boarding pass or some sort of a printed ticket, you can keep that right out here handy. It does unzip. And inside there is two slots over here for cards. There is a back section. You can put currency, you can put printed information about your insurance policies, whatever you need. It does come with its own travel pen. And then this is a standard American passport. It is not an extended page passport. So this fits very nicely in here. I am quite confident when my extended page passport arrives that it will fit in here just as well. I just take the back cover and slide it in there like that. Works beautifully. The other thing that I carry in this little back section is my immunization record, my shots and everything. So it's pretty trim. It does fit. I have a Tortuga set out 35-liter women's travel backpack. That's a mouthful. It has what are called 3D pockets on the waist belt. So they are pockets that aren't just a flat zippered compartment, but they pouch out. And this does fit in those. It is a tight fit, but it fits. And that's important. It's an important thing. If you are going to be embarking on one-bag travels as a nomad, you've got to really make sure all your pieces work together because there's not a lot of room for errors. So this fits in my hip belt, so if I want to carry, and it fits standing up or laying down, so that was important. So these are some things to think about if you're going to be embarking on long-term or nomad travels. On the cards, never do that. This is one component of my travel security system for my financial and important papers. But basically in this wallet I will have a credit card and then a bank ATM card. And then I will have a different credit card for a different credit card company and a different ATM card in a separate space that would not be carried with this, so that there are backups in case something goes wrong. So this is the zero grid. This is their logo. I have a link to it in the description, so if you'd like to check it out further, there's an Amazon link. And if you're interested in seeing my other videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so you get notified when I drop a new video. And thanks for watching and happy travels.